Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to create Figma tokens. Figma tokens are essentially design system variables that centralize your design decisions. Think of them as the single source of truth for elements like colors, typography, spacing, and border radii. They ensure consistency across all your designs and products, making updates incredibly efficient. This approach significantly reduces manual adjustments and helps maintain a cohesive brand identity across various platforms. A well-structured token system is crucial for long-term success. Begin by organizing your tokens hierarchically, typically into global, alias, and component-specific categories. Global tokens represent your foundational values, like a base spacing unit of 8 pixels or a primary brand color. Alias tokens then reference these global values, providing more context. A consistent naming convention, perhaps using dot notation, will make your tokens easy to find and manage. Proper dilution is essential for safety and scent longevity. Essential oils are potent and must be diluted to prevent skin irritation. A common ratio is 20 to 30% essential oil blend to 70 to 80% carrier oil. Jojoba oil is excellent as it's stable and odorless. Alternatively, 95% grain alcohol can be used as a base, allowing the perfume to spray and diffuse more broadly. Always ensure your chosen carrier complements your essential oils without overpowering their natural aroma, creating a harmonious blend. Once your tokens are defined, the next step is to apply them to your design elements. You can link tokens directly to your Figma styles for colors, text, and effects, ensuring every element uses a defined token. This creates a powerful connection between design and development. For seamless integration, you can then sync these tokens with your development team, often by exporting them in formats like JSON or CSS, bridging the gap between design and code with precision.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.